Hold onto your seats and prepare for a mind-blowing cosmic journey like never before. NASA has just unveiled a game-changing telescope that is about to shatter the limits of our universe and redefine the boundaries of human knowledge. Get ready to witness the birth of a new era as this groundbreaking marvel of technology is set to unveil the deepest, darkest secrets of our cosmos, unleashing a torrent of discoveries that will leave you awe-inspired and forever change the way we see the world around us. The James Webb Space Telescope is an infrared observatory orbiting the Sun about 1 million miles from Earth to find the first galaxies that formed in the early universe and to see stars forming planetary systems. Webb will study every phase in the history of our universe, ranging from the first luminous glows after the Big Bang to the formation of solar systems capable of supporting life on planets like Earth to the evolution of our solar system. It will build on the Hubble Space Telescope's discoveries. Webb launched December 25, 2021 on an Ariane 5 rocket from Europe's spaceport in French Guiana on the northeastern coast of South America. ESA, European Space Agency, provided the Ariane 5. NASA's Webb confirms its first exoplanet. Researchers confirmed an exoplanet, a planet that orbits another star, using NASA's James Webb Space Telescope for the first time. Formerly classified as LHS 475 bits, the planet is almost the same size as our own, clocking in at 99% of Earth's diameter. Atmosphere on Earth. Among all operating telescopes, only Webb is capable of characterizing the atmospheres of Earth-sized exoplanets. The team attempted to assess what is in the planet's atmosphere by analyzing its transmission spectrum. Although the data shows that this is an Earth-sized terrestrial planet, they do not yet know if it has an atmosphere. The observatory's data are beautiful, said Aaron May, also of the Johns Hopkins University Applied Physics Laboratory. The telescope is so sensitive that it can easily detect a range of molecules, but we can't yet make any definitive conclusions about the planet's atmosphere. Although the team can't conclude what is present, they can say what is not present. There are some terrestrial-type atmospheres that we can rule out, explained Lustig-Gauger. Lustig-Gauger said, "We'd have barely begun scratching the surface of what their atmospheres might be like." The researchers also confirmed that the planet completes an orbit in just 2 days, information that was almost instantaneously revealed by Webb's precise light curve. Research findings. Webb also revealed that the planet is a few hundred degrees warmer than Earth, so if clouds are detected, it may lead the researchers to conclude that the planet is more like Venus, which has a carbon dioxide atmosphere and is perpetually shrouded in thick clouds. "We're at the forefront of studying small rocky exoplanets," Lustig-Gauger said. Pictures are taken from the James Webb Telescope. 1. Carina Nebula. This landscape of mountains and valleys speckled with glittering stars is the edge of a nearby, young star-forming region called NGC 3324 in the Carina Nebula. Captured in infrared light by NASA's new James Webb Space Telescope, this image reveals for the first time previously invisible areas of starbirth. Called the Cosmic Cliffs, Webb's seemingly three-dimensional picture looks like craggy mountains on a moonlit evening. In reality, it is the edge of the giant gaseous cavity within NGC 3324, and the tallest peaks in this image are about 7 light-years high. The cavernous area has been carved from the nebula by the intense ultraviolet radiation and stellar winds from extremely massive, hot, young stars located in the center of the bubble. 2. Stephan's Quintet. Stephan's Quintet, a visual grouping of 5 galaxies, is best known for being prominently featured in the holiday classic film, It's a Wonderful Life. Today, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope reveals Stephan's Quintet in a new light. This enormous mosaic is Webb's largest image to date, covering about 1/5 of the Moon's diameter. It contains over 150 million pixels and is constructed from almost 1,000 separate image files. The information from Webb provides new insights into how galactic interactions may have driven galaxy evolution in the early universe. With its powerful infrared vision and extremely high spatial resolution, Webb shows never-before-seen details in this galaxy group. Sparkling clusters of millions of young stars and starburst regions of fresh star birth grace the image. Sweeping tails of gas, dust, and stars are being pulled from several of the galaxies due to gravitational interactions. Most dramatically, Webb captures huge shock waves as one of the galaxies, NGC 7318b, smashes through the cluster. 3. Southern Ring Nebula. Some stars save the best for last. The dimmer star at the center of this scene has been sending out rings of gas and dust for thousands of years in all directions, and NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has revealed for the first time that this star is cloaked in dust. Two cameras aboard Webb captured the latest image of this planetary nebula, cataloged as NGC 3132 and known informally as the Southern Ring Nebula. It is approximately 2,500 light-years away. Webb will allow astronomers to dig into many more specifics about planetary nebula like this one, clouds of gas and dust expelled by dying stars. Understanding which molecules are present and where they lie throughout the shells of gas and dust will help researchers refine their knowledge of these objects. 4. WASP-96b. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has captured the distinct signature of water, along with evidence for clouds and haze, in the atmosphere surrounding a hot, puffy gas giant planet orbiting a distant sun-like star. The observation, which reveals the presence of specific gas molecules based on tiny decreases in the brightness of precise colors of light, is the most detailed of its kind to date, demonstrating Webb's unprecedented ability to analyze atmospheres hundreds of light-years away. While the Hubble Space Telescope has analyzed numerous exoplanet atmospheres over the past 2 decades, capturing the first clear detection of water in 2013, Webb's immediate and more detailed observation marks a giant leap forward in the quest to characterize potentially habitable planets beyond Earth. 5. SLS 723. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has produced the deepest and sharpest infrared image of the distant universe to date. Known as Webb's first deep field, this image of galaxy cluster SLS 723 is overflowing with detail. Thousands of galaxies, including the faintest objects ever observed in the infrared, have appeared in Webb's view for the first time. This slice of the vast universe covers a patch of sky approximately the size of a grain of sand held at arm's length by someone on the ground. Prepare to have your perception of the cosmos shattered and your sense of wonder reignited as NASA unveils its groundbreaking new telescope. With its awe-inspiring capabilities and technological marvels, this revolutionary instrument will transport us to the very edge of the known universe and beyond. If you found our video informative, kindly subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on our videos.